Intercooler works, man. Oh shit! Oh shit! You pop the shift knob off, and then you just take the transfer case because it's an xDrive and I don't have enough room. Shout out to Juan in Piedmont. If you guys need work done, you know, I try and leave his info down below. What's going on, fellas? So today we are heading out to Piedmont, going over to my buddy's shop, and what we're gonna do is install a short shifter kit on the 335, so that way my gears and the feeling of the shift knob is gonna be way better, hopefully. So yeah, we're headed over there. It's a Friday, so there's a little bit of traffic, but we'll try and get there on time. But yeah, we're gonna be installing the Dinan short shifter. I've already got the ZHP. The knob itself with the shifter and the knob, it should feel brand new again, and they should be notchy and clicky, and we can bang through gears even faster. So yeah, we're on our way right now. Should be another half an hour and we'll get there soon, hopefully. No traffic, fingers crossed. Yeah, super nice day, actually. Oh my god! No freaking way, hold on. I gotta show them. Look how nice it is. It's 102, bro. It's so hot, bro. It's so hot. On the dash it says 103, but yeah, it's pretty hot. Yeah, I mean, needless to say, bro, we're in the Bay Area.
Yeah, so I mean, on a day like this, like where it's like 103 degrees,
bro,
you need a good AC, man.
I mean, not only that, but this is not your normal typical day, bro.
Yeah.
This is way too hot. This is pushing the limit.
This is above average, you know.
Yeah. Global warming, man. That's real, bro.
Yeah.
See it right here, bro. I need that boost weather. I need 60 degrees, 60, 70 degrees all the time, bro. Move out the way, boy. Gotta be careful out here, bro.
Yeah.
101 cost me everywhere, man. Ain't trying to get no tickets.
Yeah, I actually got pulled over right around here somewhere.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
And that's a nice Tesla. Check out.
Is that the new plate or what?
No, that's just the Model 3. Nice car, man.
What's up, man? What's up? Yeah, other day. Tell him the track day we went to. How today? There was one Tesla, right?
Oh.
Yeah, that thing was crazy.
It had no. I guess you could call like this, like
the top part of the base.
Yeah, the top part. It was just like a U, basically. It was like a fighter jet, basically. It was the plaid model. So that dude, bro, his best run was 9 seconds flat, bro, in an electric car. And there was a Ferrari F8 there as well, and I gave it the run for his money, dude. I mean, the Tesla is what, like $100,000?
The new plate.
Yeah.
Well, didn't you say the cheapest one? I think he started at $69,420. The base model.
Yeah, but like the plaid is like the top of the line. So like,
yeah.
How much is the plaid?
Yeah, I think it has to be around 100,000. Yeah.
Let's just say like 120 roughly, you know.
Yeah.
So versus the F8, which is, you know, almost like 360 baseline, somewhere around there.
Yeah, around 400.
Yeah. So the guy had it spec'd out to like $400,000, and that's a V8 4.4 liter twin turbo versus an electric car. And I mean, they were close. They were really close. I mean, obviously top range, the Ferrari's gonna take it, but it put down the Tesla put down 9 seconds at like 156 miles an hour or something crazy like that.
Yeah,
which is insane. You know, a lot of people say, oh, Teslas, yeah, once they get to like 100, yeah, they got nothing to give, bro. This is 156 9-second car, bro. Yeah. That's insane. That's a factory car, dude.
They were saying it's the fastest production car.
Yeah.
in the world now.
The fastest mass production car in the world, probably, because I mean the Koenigsegg, that one put down unofficially 8.6 seconds, but they gotta get that official label slapped on there. But yeah, bro. So let's get to the shop and let's get this shifter changed, man.
It's been way too long.
I know, dude. I had to do a lot of custom work. Since it's the xDrive, the stock one doesn't fit, so I had to get it. I'll show you guys. It's back here. So I had to get it and shave off a lot of it, cut it, re-weld it back on, just so that it doesn't hit my transfer case, because it's an xDrive and I don't have enough room.
So tell us what you did to it, man. It looks kind of beaten up.
It is beaten up. I had to do a lot. It's basically a custom. I mean, it's dining, but it's custom dining, bro.
For this particular BMW.
Yeah, the transfer case gets in the way and it hits on the bottom, and you can't shift.
That's why. So you had to cut out in the middle and then weld it back.
Exactly. But yeah, I'm gonna get this puppy on there.
It'll feel good.
Oh yeah, I can't wait. Shout out to Juan in Piedmont. If you guys need work done, you know, I try and leave his info down below. But yeah, Juan in Piedmont. He's a homie. He's gonna hook it up. Tap the trigger. $20, free shipping off.
Comes with the food. All right. $3 extra.
You pop the shift knob off, and then you just take the trim piece off. You pull it off. Take the rubber silicone piece off. Rubber and the silicone piece. And that's it, and all this is exposed. And what you want to do right here is there are two grooves, one right here and then one on the opposite side. So these plastic hooks, they get hooked into it. What you want to do is you want to push it, and then it pops right out. Yeah, but hopefully it works, man. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh damn! Went right in the garbage, bro. Fell in the garbage.
You recorded that?
Yeah. I was trying to put it down and it went right in the garbage.
Oh my god.
But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. Show you guys what we have to take off. So you take. You got to take this guy right here. That right there is got to come off. It's usually just sitting on that groove, which is where the screwdriver is, right there. Once you take it off, you basically get the shifter out. You push this thing over down that way, and then the shifter comes out. And then what you want to do with the new one is you want to just repeat backwards.
Come on, buddy. Buddy boy, buddy boy. Grab it with this, and I'll guide it with my fingers. Let's see.
Alright guys, so everything's been installed back in place, and I'm going to show you guys how clicky and notchy it sounds. So it's first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. It's super notchy and super clicky. So look at that, that's third right there, and fourth. Before fourth, it used to be like way back here, and now, so from, it used to be like way back here, and now it's like right there, and third is right there. But I used to be able to just rest my hand and grab those two buttons, but as you can see right now, I have a little bit of room, so I actually have to like lean forward and you know, skip the songs and whatnot. But you could hear it's super notchy. So hit that downshift. But yeah, man, I'm really liking it. It's super fun. Definitely worth it if you get so much more feedback.
Yeah.
So yeah, definitely money well spent. $200, I would say. You know, go ahead. You know, don't be scared of it. Go ahead, buy it, and you'll like it. You won't be disappointed. All right, so thanks for checking out this video. This little fun little install vlog we did. We'll catch you guys on the next one, man.